Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mrs. Buitenbeentje. I have a little bit of a cold, but I still wanted to make a video for you guys because this is the start of the winter fashion mood board display, my après-ski. And the first item on in this video series is the Brit dress by Seamwork. I have a lot of Seamwork patterns this time around, but when it's good, it's good. So the Brit dress, well, my synopsis of the Brit dress description by Seamwork is that it is a dress that is considered a staple piece due to the fact that it will not go out of style. So they have a modest batteo neckline. I think it's that. I might be pronouncing it wrong. I'll put the name in the screen somewhere. And it has full-length bishop sleeves. It's a semi-fitted skirt, a dress. It hits mid-thigh, but I'm telling you, depending on the fabric, you can make it a piece that is a little more stylish and a little more like chic, or you can make it casual. Just depends what you want. The sizing are from size 0 up to 26, and I made size 0. It has 4 pattern pieces. So the front, the back, the sleeves, and the cuffs. The fabric options that they give you are a French terry, a punto di Roma, or Ponte, depending on how you pronounce that, a medium knit fabric. I think it's very important to get more in depth of fabric, so I'll definitely dedicate a video concerning fabric. And it's not only the characteristic. I mean, when I was a beginner, I felt the fabric sphere was very overwhelming, and so I feel like I want to give that knowledge so you guys can actually, be effective when you're going fabric shopping. Oh well. So the fabrics that I chose for this dress, and I made 2 of them. That is how excited I was about this pattern. So one is a Ponte and one is a jersey. I'm going to put the fabric characteristics in the screen, and I think an important thing to note is the needle. So I use a jersey needle. Let's see. So I only had one issue, and that is with the bonus feature or the bonus hack for the Brit dress. It seemed like the measurement was a little off because when I printed it at home, it was just not good. And it was really tiny, so I'm not sure if I did something wrong in terms of the how I set it to print. But honestly, I should have sent an email to ask, and I didn't, so I guess I'm missing out. So I used 2 types of stitches. I used a zigzag stitch as well as my overlocker. Hi you guys, my favorite part. This is the Brit dress. As you can see, the bishop sleeves with the cuffs, the neckline that I can't really pronounce, and the skirt hits mid-thigh. It is a beautiful skirt and a dress, and it depends on which fabric you use. You can dress it up or dress it down. So this is the jersey, mozaïek, and I'm just going to step on the stool per tradition. My red shoes by the Raid brand, my black tights, and I feel like this just makes me feel so sexy. It's just beautiful. The fit is amazing. The second version, not the second version, but the second one that I made was this brown print. And I'm not really one for wearing brown shades, but I like that it's a little broken up due to the graphic on the fabric. This is it. It's just, I decided to style this one with my sock boot, and these were from ASOS, and this is just it. Wow. If I say so myself. Let's show the back. So next I'll just be taking pictures. You can check those pictures on Instagram. And as always, I enjoy making this video. I hope you enjoy watching. Don't be afraid to comment down below if you have any questions or just want to say hey. And have a great day. Bye.